The aim and the purpose of this presentation competition is to promote the self-confidence among the students, is to promote the public speaking among the students, is to promote how to make the computers PowerPoint slides, how to speak among thousands of students, among hundreds. So this is an art. Public speaking is an art, and we want our students to be that artist.
प्रेजेंटेशन का मकसद ही होता है कि जब हम अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करने जा रहे होते हैं तो फिर सबसे पहले जो चीज होती है उसमें मटेरियल का होना जरूरी होता है। मटेरियल हमने देखा कि आप लोग यहाँ पे पढ़े देखे सारी आपको वो नॉलेज आपके पास मौजूद है। मटेरियल का मकसद है आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन के अंदर आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन आनी चाहिए, आपका नॉलेज आनी चाहिए। फिर उसके बाद में आपने देखा होगा जब किसी भी चीज को प्रेजेंट किया जाता है तो प्रेजेंट करने का एक अंदाज है। आप उसको किसी डिश में रख के पेश करते हैं, किसी और अंदाज से पेश करते हैं, बिल्कुल इस अंदाज से पेश किया जाए कि वो जिसके सामने पेश की जा रही है उसको अच्छी लगे।
Heat is a form of energy and temperature is simply degree of hotness or coldness of a body. It is measured by thermometer. It is average kinetic energy of atoms and molecules present in a system. It is measured by thermometer. Now, an instrument, a thermometer, is required to measure temperature objectively. Thermometer make use of a physical property that change with the change of temperature. This physical property referred to as thermometric property. Simply, a physical property that change their length, their area, their volume with change of temperature is called thermometric properties.
There are four thermometric properties on which thermometers are made. First is volume variation, it made two thermometers, mercury and alcohol. Second is volume variation at constant pressure, it made thermometer we call it constant pressure gas thermometer. And the third is pressure variation at constant volume, it made thermometer we call it constant volume gas thermometer.
Thermal expansion. Almost all material bodies, whether solid, liquid or gas, expand on heating. They change their volume, shape or area. This expansion through heating is called thermal expansion.
When a body covers some distance in the direction of force, then work is said to be done. The product of force and displacement covering the direction of force is called work. Work will be 1 joule. Work. In physics, work has a very specific meaning. In physics, work has represented as a measurable change in the system caused by the force. For example, a pushing force does no work if the ball does not move, and the pushing force does work if the ball moves even a little. Rate of doing work with respect of time is known as power. Power is defined as the per unit of time work. For example, if the same amount of work is done by the two boys in unequal time interval, their power will be different. The boy who complete the work with a short time they have more power with other boy. The formula of power is equals to work is done by the time. The SI unit of power is joule and second which is called the watts. It is a small unit, so power can be expressed as the kilowatts. 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watts. So it is said to be that work is done by the short interval time, the power will increase. Potential energy is a stored energy of applying a force on the object or substance. When the stored energy applying on the force to two forms like arrangement or the substance of a stored like a objects or the arrangement of substance. My second slide topic is elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy or the stored energy. It is the result of applying a force on the object by the form of the elastic object. This is the formula of elastic potential energy. U is equal to half kx square.
Why physics is divided? जब अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ने फिजिक्स की दुनिया में कदम रखा तो उसने एक थ्योरी पेश करी जिसका नाम था स्पेशल रिलेटिविटी, जिसकी वजह से फिजिक्स को दो पार्ट्स के अंदर डिवाइड कर दिया गया। उसका जो नाम है मॉडर्न फिजिक्स और क्लासिकल फिजिक्स। जब अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ने मॉडर्न फिजिक्स दी उसकी मेन वजह यही थी कि उसने एक स्पेशल रिलेटिविटी की थ्योरी पेश करी और स्पेशल रिलेटिविटी की थ्योरी की वजह से इसको दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया गया जिनके नाम है क्लासिकल फिजिक्स एंड मॉडर्न फिजिक्स।
in which we study about the all working of heat. Heat means form of energy. For example, which is transformed from hot body to cold body. जैसे हमारा जो सन है वो हॉट होगा, हमारी जो अर्थ है
वो कूल्ड होती है। जो हमारी सन की शुआएं अर्थ पे पड़ती है वो कूल्ड बॉडी हॉट में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है। जैसे
As I am discuss about the first and second branch of classical physics. Now I will discuss about the third branch of classical physics. First, electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is two words. Electro means electro की working जो है वो electricity and magnetism की working जो है वो है magnet.
सेकंड ब्रांच डेट स्पेशल ऑफ रिलेटिविटी। आज मैं आपको स्पेशल ऑफ रिलेटिविटी के बारे में बताऊंगा। इन विच वी स्टडी ऑफ स्पेस एंड मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट विद यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड। ऐसी तमाम चीजें जो स्पेस पर मौजूद होती हैं यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड में।
A microorganism that is smaller than a bacterium that cannot grow or reproduce apart from a living cell. A virus invades living cells and uses their chemical machinery to keep itself alive and to replicate itself. Viruses are generally considered non-living but are intimately dependent on a living host for replication. Severe acute respiratory syndrome is the serious form of viral pneumonia is the cause of SARS virus. This virus that causes was first identified in 2003. The WHO was designated SARS a global health threat. In 2003, an epidemic, approximately 774 people worldwide before it was successfully contained.
Coronavirus are a big family of the differences virus. Some of the causes of common cold and other people infect animals including like bats, camels, cattle, etc. The first detected in Wuhan, China in land
Distancing are the primary parasites. Additionally, we must do not touch your face and clean hands. A person having fever and cough should limit take medical advice. A bond is a force that holds groups of two or more functions as a unit. This is called chemical bond. Chemical bond has two types, ionic bond and covalent bond. Valence electrons play a fundamental role in chemical bond. When metals and non-metals combine, valence electrons are transferred from the metal to the non-metal, giving rise to the ionic bond. Now I define polar covalent bonding. Polar covalent bonding occurs between non-identical elements. For example, H2O, water, is polar covalent bond. For example, HF is also the non-polar covalent bond. Types of covalent bond: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond. Next. First, I define single covalent bond. The single covalent bond in which one pair of electron is called the single covalent bond. It is repellent by single covalent bond, मतलब one short line, and its examples of one pair of electrons. You see, carbon, one pair of one electron, and second carbon, one electron. So it's a one pair of electron. Enzymes are the combination of two words. Enzymes, in means inside, enzymes means yeast. एंजाइम्स जो है ये दो वर्ड्स के कॉम्बिनेशन से बना हुआ है। एंजाइम्स, इनका मतलब होता है इनसाइड और zyme का मतलब होता है यीस्ट। द नेम ऑफ एंजाइम्स वाज गिवन बाय विल्हेल्म क्यून इन 1878। एंजाइम का जो फर्स्टली नेम था वो विल्हेल्म क्यून ने दिया था 1878 में। एंजाइम जो है ये सबसे पहले फ्रूट सैप में पाया गया था जिसके ऊपर फंगस लग गया था और फंगस एक टाइप का यीस्ट था और जिस यीस्ट में एंजाइम पाया गया था। एंजाइम जो है ये बहुत सारे प्रोटीन से बना हुआ होता है। Enzymes are called biocatalysts which speed up the rate of metabolism by lowering the activation energy. Topic is characteristics of enzymes. So firstly the shape of active site is complementary to the shape of substrate. तो सबसे पहले तो देखते हैं कि active site और substrate किसे कहते हैं। A portion of enzyme where substrate attached is called active site. Enzyme के surface पर एक geometrical shape के अंदर एक portion होता है जहाँ पर अगर molecule attach होता है उसे active site कहते हैं।
I would like to tell you about factor affecting the rate of enzymes activity. Certain activity of the substance will change the rate of reaction either increasing or decreasing due to enzymes. फैक्टर ऑफ इफेक्टिंग ऑफ एंजाइम्स एक्टिविटी का मतलब ये होता है कि ऐसा कौन सा फैक्टर है या ऐसी कौन सी कंडीशन है जिसकी वजह से एंजाइम्स अपनी एक्टिविटी को इंक्रीज करता है या डिक्रीज करता है अपने आप को मेंटेन रखने के लिए। देयर आर थ्री मेन फैक्टर्स ऑफ एंजाइम्स। हमारे पास तीन मेन फैक्टर्स हैं जो कि एंजाइम्स अपने आप को मेंटेन रखता है।
He said that enzyme active site is geometrical shape. इन्होंने कहा था कि एंजाइम्स की जो एक्टिव साइड होती है वो ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप की होती है। जो सब्सट्रैक्ट उसके अंदर आकर अटैच होता है तो वो एक्टिव साइड जो है वो अपनी शेप चेंज नहीं करती क्योंकि एंजाइम जो है उसकी जो एक्टिव साइड होती है उसमें सब्सट्रैक्ट जब आके अटैच होता है तो वो अपनी एक्टिव साइड जो है वो अपनी कंटिन्यूसली शेप चेंज नहीं करती है। एंजाइम हैव फोर सब स्टेजेस: प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज एंड टेलोफेज। Prophase. During this early prophase, chromatin material condensed and visible as thick oil. As you see in this diagram, this is nucleus, and this purple line shows the centrioles, and green and blue line shows the chromosomes. And this centriole mirrors the spindle fibers. And then you see the purple lines is centrioles and green and blue lines is chromosomes that attract to each other and make centromere. During this stage, the homologous pairs chromosomes line up and form equatorial plate metaphase plate. Equatorial plate during metaphase will run to the half metaphase. My next topic is anaphase 1. Separation of homologous pairs take places. Here is 2 points of anaphase 1. The first point is now built-in chromatids replicated chromosomes separate and move to opposite poles. In this, the second meiotic division is also called the meiosis II. In this division, it is actually the meiotic division in which the daughter cell, in which the haploid cells continues its motion.
In the 15th century, we see a Greek philosopher Democritus expressed the belief that matter is composed of small individual particles called atom. But nowadays it is called atoms. But nowadays it is called atom. After the Democritus explanation, Dalton gives the atomic theory, which explains the chemical nature of matter and existence of atom. Some main postulates of Dalton's atomic theory: all matter is composed of small individual and indistinct particles called atom.
What is electron? Electron is a negatively charged particle which are present in nucleus and it is revolved around the nucleus. How it is discovered? The negative charged particles was discovered in 1897 by the Sir Joseph John Thomson. How it is discovered?
Negative charge. It follows that there must be one equal charge particle to neutralize the electron. As we know, in acid-base reaction, acid reacts with base to form salt and water. The two substances that are formed are salt and water. In this way, atom has two opposite charged particles. As like we know, when electron carry negative charge and proton carry positive charge, so they cancel each other and form a neutral substance that is called atom.
Every object in our universe are in two states, rest or motion. First of all, rest. A body is said to be in a state of rest if it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding. Means कि ऐसी बॉडी जो अपनी सराउंडिंग के लिहाज से अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज ना करे वो रेस्ट की स्टेट में होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल कि हमारे यहीं पे हम एग्जांपल एक ले लेते हैं कि हमारे ग्राउंड में ये चेयर्स पड़ी हुई ये रेस्ट की स्टेट में है बिकॉज कि ये अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज नहीं कर रही इसलिए ये रेस्ट की स्टेट में.
First of all, translatory motion is also called the linear motion. When the object moves in a straight or curved path, its motion is said to be translatory motion. यानी कि किसी भी बॉडी का एक स्ट्रेट या कर्व पाथ पे जाना क्या कहलाएगा? हमारा ट्रांसलेटरी या लीनियर मोशन कहलाएगा. और द मोशन इन विच ऑल द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ अ मूविंग बॉडी he moves through the same time and the same direction.
A wave can be described as a disturbance that travels through a medium from one location to another location. Wave motion is that form of motion in which an oscillating disturbance transmitted from one position to the next without the actual translation of the particle of a medium is called the wave.
The transverse and longitudinal waves are the periodic waves. They are consistent pattern. They provide over and over again by the simple harmonic motion to agent to create the disturbance. Therefore, these are consistent common characteristics. Frequency, amplitude, time,
It is the branch of mechanics in which we deal with the study of motion without reference of force. The word kinematics is derived into Greek words kinema meaning motion. Any quantity which can be measured by any method is called physical quantity. Physical quantities are divided into two groups: scalar quantity and vector quantity. It is said to be scalar quantity if it does not change position with respect to surrounding. Then suppose the bus start moving toward or away from such a way that the position of the bus is not changing, then the bus is said to be in state of rest. Motion. A body is said to be in state of motion if it does change position with respect to surrounding. Suppose the bus start moving toward or away from such a way that the position of the bus is continuously changing, then the bus is said to be in state of motion.
2 points. It is scalar quantity, which means that the distance of the object does not depend on the direction of the motion. Distance of the object can be defined as the direction of the motion complete path. Distance of the object cannot be zero, negative. It will always be more than the displacement of the object. Distance of the object is complete information for the path filled by an object. Distance cannot be
Introduction of articles. Definite article the and indefinite article a and the. Therefore, so first of all I will occurred. Definite article the. The is a definite article. What is definite? Anything we make general to specific, so we use the. And the is defined as noun. Something specific. For example, the sun, the earth, and more example is
Chemical bonding are the combination of two words. Chemical mean any substance and the bonding mean join. Chemical bonding, the molecules are made up of two or more atoms by some force acting between them. These force is termed as chemical bond. Thus, the force which hold the atom together in a molecule is called chemical bonding. केमिकल बॉन्डिंग का मतलब है दो या दो से ज्यादा मॉलिक्यूल्स या सब्सटेंस का आपस में ज्वाइन हो जाना। लेकिन ये किस तरीके से ज्वाइन होते हैं? इनके दरमियान एक फोर्स होती है, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन या इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स।
इसे इलेक्ट्रोन इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि ये पानी में डिसॉल्व या मेल्ट होकर आयंस बनते हैं और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करते हैं, इसलिए हम इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट आयनी बॉन्ड भी कहते हैं। Then iony bond is completed transfer to electron one or more than the atoms electron from one atom to the another.
Then the combination of two words. Two and valence means valence electron. Then the covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of electron between atoms. The shear pair of electron which links the atom in a molecule is known as covalent bond. When only one pair of electron
First of all, we are here for giving our presentation on the topic rest and motion. So firstly, I would like to call Dheeraj Kumar. Please come and give presentation on the rest and motion.
My topic is rest and motion. Suppose you are sitting in a room. You are positioned with respect to the surrounding walls, and the room is not changing. You are said to be in the state of rest. Similarly, if you are stand at a bus stand near a bus, then
Many types of motion. The most common types are translatory motion, rotatory motion, and vibratory motion. Number 1, translatory motion. Translatory motion is also called the linear motion. In this type of motion, a body moves in a straight or curved path. Every particle in a body is being displaced by the same amount. Example. These are the examples. Like car is moving straight road, and this is a motorbike. It is moving on a circular road. These are the examples of translatory motion.
Consider the block which is suspended from the rigid support by means of the spring. When the block is pulled down in the downward direction within the elastic limit and release, it started moving up and down about its main position. This type of motion are known as vibratory or an oscillatory
Convince in
motion.
our mind what is current. Current means flow. The flow of anything in the conductor or device is called current. So there are different types of current: air current, water current, wave current, electric current, etc. So first of all, I discuss about the water current. The flow of water in the wire. The flow of water in the conductor is called water current. The flow of water in the pipe or with the help of pipe is called water current. Second one is air current. The flow of air in our surroundings is called air current. And our
direction of the electric currents. So how currents is flow? There are two types of the direction of the electric currents. Number one is conventional current and second one is reverse current. So first of all, discuss the conventional current. The charge flow from the
conductor is a substance in which anything is flowed. Electric conductor, a substance or material which allow electricity to flow through them. Electric conductor is a flow of electric charge in the conductor is called electric conductor. There are different types of conducting material: metal, copper, aluminum, etc. In case of metal, there are free electrons which are not tightly bound with nucleus. When this free electron is exposed in electric field, they move in specific direction. So we can say that current flows.
tend to change disposition with respect to surrounding. Force is produced as ratio. It is a vector quantity and is usually also unit. Mathematically, we solve F equals to m. For example, a boy kicked the ball, so ball covers some displacement. It means ball changes state, rest or motion.
So motion, Sir Isaac Newton states that every body contains its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line, unless it is acted upon by an external force. Mathematically, it is represented by a is equal to 0. For example, in this picture you can easily see that the car is in uniform motion and the boy who is sitting in the car is also in uniform motion. But when the car collides with the wall,
What is mass? The quantity of matter in a body is called mass. And weight. Weight is the force by which the earth attracts toward its center.
Mass is the scalar quantity, but weight is the vector quantity and is directly toward the center of the earth. Mass of a moving body is m equals to F upon A, but weight can be determined by ordinary
Mass and
velocity.
Mass of a moving body is called the momentum. Mathematically, P is equals to mv. It is a vector quantity and its a unit of kg meter per second. You see, it's an example of momentum. All balls are same mass, and its first ball has some velocity. You see, velocity transfers to second ball, third ball to fourth ball, and fourth ball last. See the velocity.